error. Um, so what I did was I went to the database and I checked, waiting for verification. So that error wasn't very helpful. So let's go to my Gmail and let's okay, so confirm our email. Okay, let's try the login again. Same. Type in our super secure password and click on sign in. Nope, I'm still blocked. Let's see what's the issue. Token invalid login credentials. Okay, so let's reload. Waiting for verification. So did I sign up with the right email? So I did sign up with the old one. Let's click on the new one. And let's go back to the database. Click. Okay, so I have verified. So, okay, what's this? I have been logged in. And this is what is being shown. So it's really ugly, but this is what comes from the account page, which I believe has a username, input, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.